Experts are calling it the end of the world, with more on these.
Want to come to the store with me?
Look, a cat.
Does today seem different than usual?
I guess.
Hey, you can't sleep here. And this guy's here to kill you.